Hello everyone. Today I will introduce NFPA 25, which outlines the requirements related to the inspection, testing, and maintenance of water-based fire protection systems. We will explore what NFPA 25 is, its significance, and how it provides standardized guidance with the inspection and testing frequencies, as well as the maintenance of these critical fire life safety systems. NFPA 25 is a standard developed by the National Fire Protection Association. It provides guidelines for the inspection, testing, and maintenance of water-based fire protection systems, such as automatic sprinkler systems, standpipes, fire pumps, fire hydrants, and other related equipment. The primary goal of NFPA 25 is to ensure that these components of sprinkler systems are both reliable and effective in helping to protect lives and property from fire throughout their life cycle. Adhering to NFPA 25 in your business is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures the operational readiness of fire protection systems, which can save lives and reduce property damage in the event of a fire. Compliance with NFPA 25 also helps building owners and managers meet legal and insurance requirements, potentially lowering liability and insurance premiums. Furthermore, regular inspection, testing, and maintenance as outlined in NFPA 25 can extend the life cycle of these systems and prevent costly repairs. NFPA 25 outlines specific inspection and testing requirements for various components of water-based fire protection systems. For example, sprinkler heads need to be visually inspected to ensure they are not obstructed, painted, corroded, or damaged. Control valves must be checked to confirm that they are in the correct position and accessible. These tests help identify potential issues before they become serious problems in your business. Testing frequencies are a critical aspect of NFPA 25. Different components of the water-based fire protection system have different inspection and testing schedules. For instance, water flow alarm devices shall be tested quarterly, while fire pumps require an annual flow test. Adhering to these testing frequencies will help to ensure that all system components are functioning correctly and can perform as expected during a fire event. Maintenance procedures are also detailed in NFPA 25. Regular maintenance tasks will include lubricating control valves, replacing damaged or painted sprinkler heads, and ensuring all components of the fire pump assembly are maintained in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Proper maintenance helps prevent system failures and ensures the water-based fire protection system performs as expected during a fire event, while also protecting lives and property. In summary, NFPA 25 is a vital standard that plays a crucial role in the inspection, testing, and maintenance of water-based fire protection systems. By understanding and adhering to its guidelines, you can ensure the safety and well-being of building occupants in your business. If you would like to learn more about NFPA 25, I encourage you to visit the NFPA website or consult with a fire safety professional. You can also contact Cintas if you have any questions regarding your water-based fire protection system inspection, testing, and maintenance needs. Thank you for watching and stay safe.